In today, I'm going to show you how to create timecode in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's go to the timeline. Here is a normal video footage. Then I will create a adjustment layer. Then leave it the adjustment layer in timeline. Then we will go effect and search metadata timecode. Leave it the effect in adjustment layer. Look, here is create a timecode. Then we will modify the timecode effect. We will go effect control and increase the scale and fix the position. We can change this timecode style if you want. Go to metadata and change the style, then play the video. Thank you so much guys for watching the video.